I don't know if it's supposed to rain or storm or something today, but it is very overcast. Yesterday it was 73 and sunny, not a cloud in the sky. And today it looks like this. It's cloudy. There's some blue sky up there. How's it going, everybody? It might rain, it might snow. I have no idea. I looked at the temperature and it said 63 and not so bad. So I was like, hey, let's hop on the bike. I think we're supposed to be getting a snowstorm rolling in pretty soon, but you gotta get in the last good ride while you can. I wanted to try to mess around with a different angle. I wanted to get an angle pointed back at me with the GoPro, mounting it on my mirror. But I left my little clampy mount at my buddy's house and I don't have it, so we're stuck with the chin mount again today. Sorry. Hey! You gotta pound it! That's a nice bike. I like it. Man, I hate that I have to use my phone for the mic because then I can't put it on my phone mount and listen to music and everything along with it. It feels so good. Oh, I hear someone. Who is that? That's Jack. I'm gonna go get him. Yeah! Back to our corner. Nice sunny days are great, but oh man, I love the overcast, the cool breeze. Not too chilly, but chilly enough. Woo! I saw that Miata the other day. It's got a nasty backfire to it. It's got a good color too.
The link should be on its way.
Hi.
Let's go! Decent group out today.
Look, come with.
Oh! Oh!
Damn it. That's what I was afraid about.
Oh no!
Yeah, I think I put that down. What is air cooled?
What's this?
You know, you can hey, yeah.
No!
Add that stupid Jacob. At least it's not your bike. That's not. It's always going to be that way.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
You've been sitting waiting forever. Oh, we almost made it. There we go. I don't know how much battery we got left. Everything's dying. Everything's always dying. What was that about? At least we're going back towards where the sky is brighter.